If you feel like AI is just giving you generic, boring answers, it's not the tool's fault. It's yours. You aren't actually using AI. You are begging it for scraps. And that is exactly why you aren't seeing the money yet. The gap between the person struggling with AI and the one building a fortune isn't the software they've downloaded. It's the words they type. In the 2026 AI economy, your language is your ultimate leverage. Your words are no longer just chatting. They are digital commands issued to a superintelligence. This skill is called prompt engineering, and it is arguably the highest paying skill you can acquire today. Before we go any deeper, if you are serious about mastering this new world, hit subscribe right now. This is the turning point in the series where we move from theory to raw power. To understand prompting, you have to realize that a prompt is simply an instruction, but most people treat AI like a search engine instead of a high-level employee. Give a lazy instruction, and you will get a generic, useless result. It's the old rule: garbage in, garbage out. Tell an AI to write about money, and you'll get a Wikipedia-style bore that no one will read. But when you learn to program with natural language, the output becomes a masterpiece. The secret used by the top 1% of creators is the RTFG framework: role, task, format, and goal. First, you give it a role. Don't ask a bot. Ask a senior marketing strategist with 20 years of experience. The persona you assign dictates the quality of the logic and the depth of the answer. Second, define the task with surgical precision. Don't just write. Tell it to analyze and disrupt. Demand high-level thinking, not just basic word generation. Third, define the format. Do you want a viral thread, a cinematic script, or a structured data table? The shape of the answer is just as important as the content itself. Finally, state the goal. Tell the AI exactly what emotion or action you want from your audience. When you compare a simple request to one built with RTFG, the difference is staggering. When you control the output, you control the marketplace. High-quality output is a premium product, allowing you to charge 5 times more for freelance work because you're delivering elite-level results. You aren't just working faster. You are operating with a team of 1,000 experts in your pocket. But remember, prompt engineering isn't about being techie. It's about the clarity of your own mind. If you can't think clearly, you can't prompt clearly. AI is merely a mirror of your own intelligence. Better input equals better output. It is a fundamental law of this new digital universe. Here is the controversial truth. 90% of people will fail at this. Not because it's hard, but because they are too impatient to refine their craft. They want magic, but they won't learn the spell. The winners treat prompting like a science. They test, they tweak, and they win. You are literally talking your way into wealth, where a more precise tongue leads to a bigger bank account. Take your most recent prompt and transform it using the RTFG framework right now. Comment Prompt Master below. This is episode 4. In the next one, we turn this into actual income.